It's a new day. Eric scoured our town for a motor mount and found it. Not broken.
Oh shit, I forgot it.
Broken.
Cool. I thought it was like a V.
Okay. I was waiting for a aw man. Okay.
Because like look, if you look on the subframe,
Yeah.
it's not a V. They're both like pointed towards this way. The
Okay.
other side, the two holes are pointed this way too.
Okay.
Like right there.
Yeah.
I think right there. Yeah.
I'll probably put this on time lapse so that way Steven can do things. Hello. Eric, what happened?
Forgot clutch fork.
We forgot what?
The clutch fork.
The what?
The clutch fork.
Okay. This hole is not big enough for the clutch fork to just go back on to the little. So, clutch fork goes on that. Like that. You're supposed to put it in the slot while you put the transmission on. And I guess we got a little too carried away last night. I didn't even think about that.
I know I don't know that.
We just referenced the video and he's like, oh yeah, you just pop it out. But you don't pull it out.
Yeah, you pop it out of place.
Pop it out of like the slot and then it just hangs there. Fortunately, we gotta take the trans off again just to put the, well,
maybe not all the way.
maybe, I don't know, we'll see.
Maybe just a little bit.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What are you doing?
Taking off the AC compressor.
Why?
To take off the oil pan?
Why?
Because it won't fit unless you take off a fucking oil pan?
Why?
Because the motor's too big for the car.
Yeah, freaking Honda.
Yeah.
This bar sucks ass. That's what I can do for you. Yay. Now the oil pan can come off. I was watching Speed Academy because we were like, what do we do? But Speed Academy, thank you.
They didn't know what to do either.
We were watching the video and they're like, oh, we got stuck there too. Oh, we did that too. Like, they got stuck on the bar and then they took that off and then they took that off. So at least we're not the only one on the struggle bus. The good thing about the subframe is that it's so far forward that
You can do an oil pan?
yeah, you can put the oil pan back on from the bottom. So it's not the end of the world. It's just kind of inconvenient, and I guess we should have done it before, but whatever. Learning lessons.
What's that? What the fuck is this? It's in this. It's just going straight into this.
Eric, it's funny because he pulled the drain plug and it's like, oh, no oil.
I didn't see that it was in the fucking, that stupid fucking bar, bro.
If anybody lives in San Francisco, when you start your car like this, there's no oil in the motor. This is like,
It's not like we didn't check, too. It was too late to check. But what were we going to do?
it just started pouring.
We couldn't pull everything out.
It was literally the saddest feeling I felt in a while, and then it just, oh man. Oh look, it's empty.
Thank you.
Jesus. If you're gonna work on cars, kids, kitty litter. Kitty litter, man. I don't know how many times. Even like small spills. To be fair, that drain plug was clean.
It was dry.
It was shiny. Like there was no oil. There was no indication of oil. We were like, oh yeah.
Like, it's not like we're like, hey, there's probably no oil. Like, it's not like we didn't think about it.
No.
We thought about it, too.
Here, YouTube magic.
Like down there, watch your eyeballs.
It's okay.
All right. So that mount is in Bois. No, point it a little bit away from the mount. Okay, yeah. That's stud. Now we just need to align the little notch that you see. I don't know. Can you zoom in, Johnny? That little notch right there. So we gotta align it on both sides, and then should be in. Now we have to buy a transmission mount because the hold on is just kind of brittle and it broke. So, but the motor is in.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Inside for life.
What? One large step for man. Wait.
What?
One
Large step for
one small motor for car.
one large step for Vietnamese man. One giant step for
Oil spills.
oil spills.
Yeah. That was a hard fought battle.
That was one of the worst motor fucking.
I know. Oh yeah, here, Eric, you've earned your yellow belt. No, come here. Come here. Alternator. Wiring.
Alternator is wired. Now I just gotta do the starter.
Yes.
Looks like this is the ground for the starter. This is a mystery plug. Looks like knock.
Yeah, the knot, yeah. Oh, it was hiding. Okay.
Yeah.
You replace the VTEC solenoid. There. So that's the new one.
Yeah, so it's like.
Is this coolant temp sensor right here?
Yeah, you probably
Yeah, I think so. The coil packs are already wired. The header needs to go on, but he has to do it from down below.
There's a sensor right here that's supposed to be there. I don't know what sensor I'm missing.
Okay. Oh wait, right here?
Should be. Look, it like.
Oh yeah.
And then there's a screw for it. So I'm assuming there's a sensor right there.
Just want to give an update. Still waiting on parts.
So I put the header on already.
Okay.
I gotta put the cap back on and put transmission fluid in it,
Okay.
and the car can be on the floor.
Yay.
Because I'm done with farming that shit.
So you have a test pipe, right?
I have a cat.
You have an actual cat?
I have an actual cat.
Oh, okay.
Because this car is gonna be OEM trying to fucking pass them off.
Yes, there is a cat officer. If you want the video for reference, please go to Street Elite West Coast.
Jesus Christ.
I'm starting a restaurant, and I'm just making engines, the tables. I found that an F22C1 that's seized in this position makes a perfect cup holder. I'm using cylinders 2 and 3 as my tray, and to protect my fries from falling off, you just gotta retain the timing chain plastics, and honestly, it's not that bad. Take one. Let's see if Eric plugged everything in right. Hey. So it does crank. I mean, obviously, we don't have injectors. Yeah, fuel's not coming out. Probably because the fuel pump doesn't see any, like, line.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Turns over, it sounds healthy. Yeah. Ow. Fucking guy.
So it's turning.
Yeah, and it sounds healthy. And, like,
Yeah.
he was worried about rod knock, but, you know, you can never trust.
Someone selling a motor.
Yeah.
It's not from the Engine Depot.
Yeah.
For sure, you can never trust anybody.
So
Yeah.
that's like one headache that we don't have to worry about.
So today we put the PCV valve in.
Mm-hmm.
We put I got an air temperature sensor. This is for the stock air box.
Yep.
And then what else did I get? I got a couple. I got
Serpentine belt.
the new mounts down here. I don't know what the fuck this screw's for, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I found the sensor,
Yeah.
and it's a coolant temperature sensor.
Okay.
We're gonna do it one more time. It's just plugged in. There's
Eric bought a special S2000. Hey!
It's so fucking stupid. Run!
I did program.
See, look at one car runs, one car brakes.
You don't want that car. What? You don't want the Skyline.
If I don't want the Skyline.
He'll part ways for a lifetime of keys. All right, well, it runs. That sounds good.
Later that night.
Johnny's over there and definitely not pissing in the cactus.
Jesus Christ.
Come on. So, Angel's in there drinking. Have you been drinking them? Yes, he has. Johnny was just trying to go get some groceries. I don't know. Freaking go to Target.
When a cool wiring tuck is not so cool.
Yeah. Show him the goods, boss.
The guy did a cool
Shut up, drunk guy.
wiring tuck underneath the fender, and then the zip ties he had to hold in place snapped,
Yeah.
and it caught the tire and it ripped the freaking wire harness.
Jeebus. I mean, the good thing is the connectors are still intact.
Yeah, I think that. There's nothing that went off there. I don't think.
No. So
This I gotta figure out with that. That's a power.
yeah, but maybe like 20 wires and it's back on the road. Hopefully, yeah. So just make a sad face, Johnny.
Oh, that's not sad face.
Is that-
It's a sad face.